কেনেকুৱা খবৰ বন্ধুসকল আশা কৰোঁ আপোনালোকৰ ভালেই লগত মোৰো ভাল সো আজি ইন্টাৰেষ্টিং পাৰ্ট যেটো শোল্ডাৰ মোৰ খুবেই প্ৰিয় আজি শোল্ডাৰ এক্সাৰসাইজ কৰিম সো আপোনালোকে জানেই যে শোল্ডাৰ যেতিয়া ফিট থাকিব মানুহজন দেখিবলৈ ফিট লাগিব সো বলক গাইজ আজি শোল্ডাৰ এক্সাৰসাইজ
For the fighters, this is for the wrestlers, this is for the strikers, this is for jiu-jitsu, this is for the titans, this is for some legends. Shout out Dr. Tyson, shout out to Tyson, shout out to Fury, shout out to Habib, shout out to Conor, shout out to Kamaru, yeah here's a beat, shout out to Kobe, shout out to Till, shout out to GSP, shout out to all of these legends that really just fight to compete, they really just fight to compete, they put in the work, they put in the heat, and this is a fame that you did not see, and you are just sitting back, I'm like she's, man they really going out there grinding, and they really going hard every time, man. Like you didn't really see that stuff, but he was working up in this timing. His grind, yeah, motivation, man, he feels it up in his chest. And inside, got a spirit that's just telling him he is blessed. So they grab the time and invest. Yeah, while you're in that craft, while you been sitting back, they been smashing up the back. Like. Forget the women that just do it. Her name's Amanda Nunes. She will knock you out and leave you hella clueless. She's highly trained, a double champion, that's the truest. Yeah, be the truest, be real, move up, go kill your targets, go climb, you're up that hill, so you can be something that is real, instead of something fake. Go construct and go and build, something that's for you though. You gotta put the work in like Henry and Cejudo. Hit them with that boxing, hit them with that judo. Get a couple shots in, I chase the path that you know, cause this is the song for all the champions, for all the people that just wanna chase and really get it, man. For all the people way up on the run, I chose the darkness, not the sun. Yeah, you ain't that 1%, I am just now, show us some love, shoot.
Shoulder exercise finished. Next video আপোনালোকক আকৌ লগ পোৱা খাৰে। Bye.